When you think of American power, you might picture the White House or the Capitol, but what about the symbol that moves? The one that projects power anywhere, anytime. Air Force One isn't just a plane, it's the flying embodiment of the American presidency. A command center, a fortress, and a diplomat all in one. Wherever that blue and white jet lands, the world knows the United States has arrived. It's a mobile White House with secure communications and medical facilities. But these planes are aging, and the need for a new generation is clear. The new Air Force One will be more than a plane, it will be a statement for decades to come. The big question, what's the status of the new Air Force One? The project's been hit with delays, cost overruns, and plenty of speculation. Then, Boeing CEO Dave Calhoun stepped up and gave us the update we've all been waiting for. Calhoun was direct. He acknowledged the difficulties, the fixed-price contract, and the financial hits. But he also talked about progress. The new planes, designated VC-25B, have hit critical milestones. Despite the setbacks, Boeing is fully committed to delivering the most advanced, secure command center in the world. This isn't just a corporate update, it's a matter of national importance. Calhoun detailed the extensive modifications, complex wiring, hardening the fuselage, and integrating advanced systems. The first of the two jets is deep into its modification phase. The hard part is happening now. Plans are becoming reality. For a public used to hearing about delays, this was a turning point. The message, the future of presidential travel, is taking shape. Boeing's commitment is about pride and patriotic duty. The CEO's announcement was designed to restore confidence in this vital project. The steel is being shaped, the systems are being integrated, the journey is back on track and moving toward the finish line. The next Air Force One is no longer just a promise, it's becoming real. The world is watching, and Boeing is stepping up. The future of presidential travel is in motion. What makes the new Air Force One so special? Let's break it down. The VC-25B is a technological leap forward, more than just a new paint job. First, communications, a multi-layered, jam-proof, hack-proof system. The president can securely connect with military leaders or address the nation, even in a crisis. Next, defense advanced missile countermeasures, electronic warfare systems, and a hardened body to withstand nuclear EMPs. This plane is built to survive the unthinkable. Comfort and function are also upgraded. The new 747-8 airframe is larger and more fuel-efficient, flying farther without refueling. Inside, a redesigned layout, a presidential suite, office, conference room, and private quarters. There's a fully equipped medical facility, including an operating room. Expanded quarters for staff, press, and security allow the president to travel with a full team. But the real game changer is integration. All systems work together, making the plane a seamless command center. Data streams in from around the world. The president can command military assets and manage crises from 41,000 feet. The presidency is never offline. This is the ultimate mobile office for the world's most demanding job. Every feature is about keeping the president connected, protected, and in control. It's not just a plane, it's a flying nerve center. The new Air Force One sets a new standard for presidential travel. It's built for the challenges of tomorrow. What do these features mean for the president's mission? Two things: speed and security. The advanced communications shrink the globe. Decisions and orders can be made instantly, even in transit. Security is a quantum leap. Missile defense, EMP resistance, and electronic warfare make this the safest place for the president. The increased range means fewer stops, more direct flights, and greater flexibility. That saves time and reduces security risks on the ground. The president can focus on diplomacy, crisis management, and leadership anywhere, anytime. In a crisis, options are everything. This plane gives the president time and safety to make the right call. The airplane is no longer a vulnerability, it's a strategic asset. The new Air Force One isn't just about travel, it's about leading the nation from anywhere. It's a sanctuary in the sky, built for the demands of the modern world. Let's be real, this hasn't been easy for Boeing. Building the most sophisticated aircraft ever is a monumental challenge, made tougher by a fixed-price contract. Costs have soared and Boeing has absorbed billions in losses. But the CEO's message is clear. Boeing's commitment is unwavering. This is more than a business deal, it's a legacy and a patriotic duty. The technical complexity is staggering: military-grade systems in a commercial airframe, hundreds of miles of wiring, and zero room for error. Boeing uses advanced digital modeling and a team of specialists to solve problems in real time. It's slow, meticulous work, but that's how you build an aircraft with no margin for mistakes. The challenges are huge, but so is the resolve to overcome them. Every setback is met with innovation and determination. This project is about more than profit, it's about national pride and security. Boeing is investing everything to get it right. The journey is tough, but the goal is worth it. Why does this matter? Because Air Force One is a reflection of America. It's a symbol of our technological prowess, leadership, and commitment to security. When it lands abroad, it sends a message. America is strong and innovative. The new Air Force One reinforces that message for a new era. Its advanced features are essential tools for national security and crisis leadership. This project supports thousands of high-skilled American jobs and showcases our manufacturing strength. It's a testament to what American industry can achieve. The new jets will carry future presidents through history yet to be written. They'll be silent witnesses to decisions that shape our world. This isn't just about a plane, it's about equipping the presidency for the future. The arrival of the new Air Force One marks a new era of American leadership. That's why this news matters. So, what's next? Now comes execution. Boeing and the Air Force are focused on completing modifications and installing mission-critical systems. The next phase is rigorous testing. Every system, every scenario, no margin for error. The goal: deliver an aircraft that's 100% reliable from day one. The first flight with a sitting president will mark a new chapter in American history. The iconic blue and white livery will soon represent a new generation of leadership. Boeing's recent announcement shifted the narrative from delays to progress. The road ahead is challenging, but the destination is clear. The next Air Force One will be a flying fortress and a symbol of American resilience. We'll be watching every step of the way.